All right, now we're doing 7Q Dave's FIFO car park. This is by Phil B, 56, and 91% of people like it. So we've got a car park that can only fit 3 cars, and because of that, Dave is going to use a FIFO system since he doesn't want to reverse any cars. FIFO, first in, first out, if you don't know. The place opens at 9 and is always empty at the end of the day. Dave's customers always tell him with 100% accuracy what time they will arrive and leave. And these times are expressed in a number of minutes since 9 a.m. So like right here, it's 9:48, and then 120 minutes after 9 is 11 o'clock, all right? If the car park is full, Dave turns away new arrivals. And we're going to create a function turn away to find out how many he turns away. And then there we go. That's basically it. So for this one, what we're going to be using, first thing we're going to do is we're going to declare some variables. We're going to say let result equals 0. And we're going to let array equal an empty array. All right. Then we're going to do a for loop, but we can't do a for loop using the normal way because, I don't know, I think for some reason it doesn't like arrays within arrays. So we're going to do the for of loop. And if you don't know about the for of statement, it executes a loop that operates on a sequence of values sourced from iterable objects such as arrays, strings, and whatever, right? And so we're going to say for let I of arrivals. And that's basically just like doing it the normal way, except for it'll actually work on this one. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to do an if statement. We're going to say if array.length is less than 3. So if the car park isn't full, we're going to say array.push I. Okay? And then we're going to do an else if after that. Else if. Oops, and then right here we're going to say array at 0 at 1. So basically this number is is less than I at 0, the new I at 0. So let's say the next number, like this number is 121, right? So if this number is less than this number, if it was 121, what we're going to do here is we're going to say array equals array equals array dot slice. And if you don't know about the slice method, it returns a shallow copy of a portion of array into a new array object selected from start to end, where end is not included, and start and end represent the index of items in the array. So because end is not included, and we're just trying to slice off the first one, we're going to slice up to 1, all right? And then we're also going to say array.push I, because we're putting that new car in there, right? And if we can't put a new car in there, we're going to do an else right here, and we're going to say result plus plus, adding to the count. Let's bring this back. Or not, actually. And then down here, we're just going to say return result. Now let's test it out. All right, looks good. Attempt it. Looks good. Let me show you what happens if we do equals 0 right here. Equals 0. While I is less than arrivals.length I plus plus. We attempt it again. Does not work. It gives us 21 every time. I don't know why, but whatever. Here's the fix right there. All right, submit it. All right, and you can just check out the rest of them if you feel like it. You can go to mine here, and best practice in my opinion. Very much like it, and we'll see you next time.